All right, guys. So, don't mind me, but I'm at work, and yeah, I just posted this brief little video snip in a cooking group, and everybody went crazy for it. So now I regret not recording the video, but I figured I can't leave you guys hanging. So I'll go ahead and do a brief little voiceover. So it benefits you, it benefits me. You get a great recipe, and potentially I can get some more traction from my YouTube channel. You know what I mean? Support a sister. So, to begin, what you're going to need is your turkey wings, of course. I think I made about 6. Turkey wings are absolutely huge. So you really only need a couple. The one thing I will say though is that turkey wings freeze amazingly. They only get better with time. So even if you do make too much, you can freeze them, and then when you reheat them, they're just gonna get even more tender and delicious. So you're gonna want to get your turkey wings. I know that not everybody actually cleans off their meat. I know there's a lot of controversy surrounding that. However, I do clean my meat. But even if you're one of those people that don't, I would suggest going ahead and pulling out, at least rinsing it off and going ahead and pulling out the extra turkey feathers and things. Because the turkey feathers are extremely thick and hard, and they're just unappealing. No one wants a plate served to them with feathers. So go ahead, clean and prep your turkey. One of the common mistakes I feel like people do make when they're seasoning and cooking meat, they season it when it's damp or moist. That's not going to allow the seasonings to stick to the skin and have a nice flavorful skin, as well as to seep into the meat. It's just going to fall off into the water. So it's going to be seasoned water at the bottom. That's disgusting and pointless. So no. That's why you want to make sure you dry it off as much as you possibly can. After you dry it off, you're going to take your seasonings. Now, I would definitely say season it to your liking. However, for this particular recipe, I will say there's one main seasoning in order to get that flavor right, and that's Bella seasoning. That is my family's go-to turkey seasoning. We use it for Thanksgiving, we use it for Christmas, we use it for everything. The next step is that you want to add that back into the pan. We'll add it into your pan, drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top, and chop up some onions. You want to chop the onions pretty thick. As you can see from the video, I chop mines like in perfect like little circles. I just like it for presentation, but you want to chop them pretty thick because it's about 2.5 hours you're going to cook these for, and those onions are going to disintegrate and cook away. We don't want that. So cut them thick, put those in the pan as well, and add maybe about a cup to a cup of water at the bottom. You want like maybe 2 inches of water in your container because you don't want the turkey to dry out. So what you want to do next, just add all that, cover it, and cook it in the oven for about 2 hours. Now, one thing, so yes, after about 2 hours of cooking, you're gonna take it out the oven. Oh, I apologize. You want to check it maybe like an hour in and like spoon some liquids on top of it. Then, another hour, spoon some liquids that, make sure you're getting steak nice and juicy. Then after about 2 hours, you want to take it out. You want to have already diced up and prepared some bell pepper to go in. Dice them pretty small. And you want to dice up you want to chop up some extra onion the way that we already did. Maybe just 1 extra onion. It's more so for presentation so that people can know the onions are in it, because at this point, most of your onions are pretty cooked away, which I like my onions like that. So it's kind of a preference thing. You're gonna cover it right back up, put it back in the oven and cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. Now, if you want to cook down the liquid a little bit, give it a chance to thicken, and if you want it a little bit more browned than mine were, you can take the top off and finish the cooking. So yeah, then after about 30 additional minutes, maybe 30 to 45, depending on your turkey, you will take those out, and voila, you have yourself some delicious baked turkey wings. Now, I would like to upload a video for you guys more in detail, actually showing like how much seasoning I use, because I didn't take any measurements or anything, but I don't have my camera set up for recording in my kitchen just yet. So stay tuned. Please be sure to hit that like button if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate the support and love. And make sure you hit that notification bell, because we do have a lot of recipe videos coming in the future. I'm going to insert a couple of clips of some of our meals that we've made in the past, just so you guys can get a little bit excited and get ready. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss that when we actually start uploading those. All right. Oh, and I forgot to say, Brielle seasoned the turkey for us this night. She's an awesome little helper in the kitchen. But all right, YouTube, so the mini mukbangers are out. And again, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for the support. Peace.